Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix unsupported processor stop code error in Windows 11. So let's get started. So recently I faced this issue on my Windows 11 virtual machine under VMware Workstation, and in this case when I try to launch the virtual machine, it goes to boot screen and then it provides a stop code error unsupported processor. I will quickly try to reproduce this issue in this video so that you can understand what the problem actually is. So here I have Windows 11 virtual machine with 2 cores of processor at the moment. And when I try to turn it on, at first VMware screen is seen. After that we expect the boot screen, and boot screen is seen. And when the system is at boot screen, eventually it goes to green screen of that, and it reads your Windows Insider build ran into a problem and needs to restart. We will restart for you. And the stop code provided here is unsupported underscore processor. So how to fix this problem? Well, here is the solution. So our first solution is setting the processor to 1 core. So as I said that this virtual machine is currently using 2 cores of processor, and the problem occurs at 2 cores of processor in this case. So we will try to set it to 1 core of processor. For this we have to edit virtual machine settings and go to processors tab. Under processors we have to set number of processors to 1. So now we have set number of processors to 1 and we will try to start the virtual machine. And this time the virtual machine launches fine and works as expected, but the problem is that we have set the processor to 1 core, and after setting it to 1 core this virtual machine is quite slower. If you can bear that, you can continue using this solution. In case if you are looking forward to a straightforward solution in which you can use 2 core of processors and also resolve the unsupported processor stop code error, then you have to go to our next solution, that is solution number 2. And in this solution we will turn off the Windows Hypervisor. So basically the root cause for this problem is Windows Hypervisor, and this problem occurs because of Windows Hypervisor turned on, and when it is turned on you are in user level mode, ULM. And when ULM is on, VMware can't use its own hypervisor, and due to that this error occurs. So if you turn off the Windows hypervisor, VMware should be able to use its own hypervisor. So let's see how you can do that. For this you have to click on the search icon on the taskbar and type command prompt. From search results select command prompt and click on run as administrator. So this will open administrative command prompt. In the administrative command prompt window, type or paste this command from the video description I have provided and press the enter key. You can see that the command has been executed successfully. Now one more thing you should take care of: go to Windows Security and then go to Device Security. Then go to Core Isolation. Under Core Isolation, make sure that memory integrity is turned off to resolve this problem. Once it is done, you can now restart the system so that Windows Hypervisor should be finally turned off. So after restarting the system, we will check if we can run the Windows 11 virtual machine with 2 cores of the processor. So after restarting the system, we will again launch VMware Workstation. Since Windows 11 virtual machine is encrypted, so I have to provide this password to decrypt it. Now currently we have set processors to 1 core. From the previous solution, we will again set it to 2 core, so that we are now in the original state where the problem is existing. Now we will power on the virtual machine. And since we have already turned off Windows Hypervisor this time, VMware Workstation is now using its own hypervisor, and we will see if the stop code error occurs now. So currently we are seeing the boot screen. And here you can see that it moved from the boot screen to lock screen, and this time the stop code error did not occur. This means the problem has been resolved successfully here. If you still have any questions about this method, do let me know via your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.